Have you ever looked at a drawing by Kim Jung Gi and wondered how it's even possible? How someone can draw huge, detailed scenes entirely from memory, without sketches, without hesitation, and with perfect perspective? Today, I want to explain how Kim Jung Gi became such a legendary artist, what made him truly unique, and how you can train using the same methods. This is a practical, step-by-step guide you can start using right away. Kim Jung Gi built an extraordinary visual memory. He didn't rely on magic talent. Everywhere he went, he observed the world. People walking, cars moving, animals, buildings, machines, the way clothing folds, how light behaves, how anatomy works. He watched life carefully, constantly, and he remembered what he saw. He also practiced every single day. Drawing wasn't something he did only when he felt inspired. He filled sketchbooks the way other people write diaries, page after page of studies, ideas, observations, and experiments. This daily repetition built his speed, accuracy, and confidence. One of the most iconic aspects of his technique was drawing without any sketch underneath, no pencil, no rough outline, no erasing, just ink. This forced him to think before he drew, to visualize the scene clearly in his mind, and then commit to clean, confident lines. It's a difficult method, but extremely powerful. Kim also deeply understood how things work. He studied anatomy, the mechanics of the human body, animals, engines, vehicles, architecture, and everyday objects. He didn't simply memorize shapes, he understood structure. And that's why his drawings feel so solid and believable. But beyond all of his skills, Kim Jung Gi had a fearless attitude. He wasn't afraid of mistakes. He wasn't intimidated by complex scenes. He simply drew, boldly, freely, joyfully. And that mindset is something every artist can learn from. Now let's talk about how you can train like Kim Jung Gi. These are practical exercises that mirror his approach and help build the same foundation. Start each session by practicing confident lines. Draw straight lines without a ruler, circles, ellipses, and long, sweeping strokes from the shoulder. This builds control and gets rid of shaky lines. Then practice observation and memory drawing. Choose any object, a cup, a shoe, a car, even a person. Look at it carefully for 1 minute. Then close the reference and draw it from memory. After that, compare your drawing to the real object. This is one of the strongest ways to build visual memory, just like Kim did. Next, spend a bit of time making quick gesture sketches. Set a timer for 30 to 60 seconds and try to capture the movement and energy of the pose. Don't worry about detail, focus on flow and rhythm. This develops speed and helps you loosen up. Study anatomy in a constructive way. Pick one part of the body, the head, the torso, the arms, or the legs, and break it down into simple forms like boxes, cylinders, and spheres. This teaches you how the body works in three-dimensional space. A few times a week, choose something complex, like a vehicle, a gun, an animal, a building, or a machine. Study several references for a few minutes. Then draw that object again, but from a completely new angle using only your imagination. This builds the mental library Kim relied on so much. Practice perspective without using grids. Imagine the horizon line in your mind and draw streets, rooms, buildings, rooftops, or crowds with multiple layers. This develops spatial intuition, which Kim was famous for. Once a week, do a drawing session with no sketch at all. Take a blank sheet of paper, pick up a pen or ink, and draw a full scene with no planning lines. Think before you draw, visualize the scene, and then commit. This exercise is challenging, but incredibly effective. And finally, Take a small sketchbook with you in daily life. Draw people in cafes, cars passing by, animals, buildings, anything you see. This kind of real-life sketching is how Kim collected thousands of observations that later appeared in his artwork. Kim Jung Gi wasn't a mystical genius. He was a passionate artist who trained constantly, studied the world deeply, and drew with confidence and joy. And you can follow the same path. Start with confident lines, train your memory, study structure, draw boldly, and most importantly, draw every day. If you enjoyed this guide and want to learn more techniques inspired by legendary artists, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and keep drawing.